Hello, traders and investors. Welcome back to morning trading recommendation session. Today, we'll be diving into the latest updates in vegetable oil market and taking a glance at the next index market. But before we get started, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for information and education purpose only. It should not be considered as financial or investment advice. um, Viewers are encouraged to seek professional advice for their specific financial situations. Now, let's jump into the market updates. In the vegetable oil context, overnight soybean oil, March 24, experienced a slight increase of 0.05, reaching 48.21. Meanwhile, Darlene most active palm oil contract fell by 2 points to 7468. Now, turning our attention to Busan Malaysia palm oil futures, for the FCPO April month, it rose by 44 points, closing at 3948 on Tuesday. This surge was driven by concern over several rain disrupting production in the world top two producers, which is Malaysia and Indonesia, and robust demand from China. However, gains were kept due to weakness in the river oil. Um, After a mixed performance in Dalian oil and soybean oil, we anticipate the FCPO to trade within the range. Following yesterday, the market was hit at a higher point on 3980, which is a 1 month high. The market is currently in a tight range consolidations. If you're looking at the smaller chart, the market is in the consolidation after hitting the higher price. Yeah, all right. And then we expect but we still expect the upward movement still in place. Whether or not the price will break further higher and stabilize, the 3965 will be one of the key points. All right, so for trading recommendations, we will first call for the long above 3940, with target at 3964 to 86, and stop level to set at 3910. While alternatively, short position could be considered below 3940, with the target at 3923, second 3903, with stop at 3970. Alright, so for the CPO support level, the range, we look at 3927 to 3920. For immediate resistance will be 3965 level, which is the immediate one. Yeah, if broken, the next point will be 3980 to 3985, which is yesterday high. Now, we're shifting our focus to index market. All right. So for the index market, the overnight Dow Jones closed lower 96 point to 37905, while the S&P contract is slightly higher on Tuesday as investors await quarterly result from company like Tesla later in the week. Come back to Malaysia, the futures FKLI for January month rose by 6 point to 1500, while the Bursa Malaysia Cash Index FBMKLCI closed higher for the third consecutive day, supported by continuous buying in heavyweight counters, particularly banking-related stock. In alignment with the bullish performance of US market, for FKLI, it could trade higher. All right, so our recommendations for FKLI indexes. First, we'll call for long. If market upon above 1499, target at 1405 to, sorry, it's 1505. It should be, sorry, it's 1505 to 09. Stop loss at 1494. Conversely, short position may be open below 1499 with target at 1495 to 89, stop loss at 1504. While for the FKI support level, we see the immediate support at 1495 to 93 range. The immediate resistance at 1505. Expectation that bullish movement is likely to continue for the FKLI index market. All right, that wraps up today's market updates. Remember, this information is for education purpose only. If you found this content valuable, please like, subscribe. As always, do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decision. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!